أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Online Muslim Madrasah. Learn Quran and Islamic knowledge. Allaykum wa Rehmatullahi wa Barrakatuhu to everyone. Hopefully everything is going good. Alhamdulillah. We are learning the Arabic alphabet. Hopefully you did practice all of your previous lesson. So you know practice is very important for learning. If you will be do practice of your previous lesson, you will be read easily next lesson. So in this lesson, Inshallah Aziz, we will continue next to Arabic alphabet. So today alphabet is Ain. Yes, this alphabet exit point is very important because our mostly student feel very difficult to pronounce this Arabic alphabet correct sound. But inshallah, after this video, you will be able to pronounce the sound of this Arabic alphabet very easily because you should do practice of the exit point. Now I will tell you what is the exit point of Ain. So I already told you our throat has three parts. First part is the starting point, second one is the middle point, and third one is the end point. Okay, so you will be to focus on your middle part of your throat. Middle part, that one is this part. So you will be do just push little bit this middle part from your finger. Ain. Yes, just push this part and then convert your lips in smiley face. Ain. Ain. Yes, very good. Try more. Ain. Yes, this Ain sound is also light. Be careful, don't read Ain. Ain. Don't do round your lips. Don't pronounce Ain. Okay, be careful. Just open the mouth and focus on the exit point. And then in. Ain. Ain. Yes. So if you will be to focus on the exit point of this alphabet, you will be pronounced very easily. Now come to shape of Ain. Its shape has no dot. Ain has no dot. There are two cups. First on the top, rounded, and then after that is the large cup. Okay. So you will be to identify the shape of Ain very easily. Yes, now come to next Arabic alphabet. The next alphabet is Ghain. Ghain. Yes, the Ghain color is green. So I already told you the green color always show sound will be heavy. You will be pronounce this alphabet with heavy sound, with bold sound. So how you can pronounce very easily bold sound? You will be do just little bit to round your lips. Yes. Now come to exit point of Ghain. It's also very important because mostly students did match this sound with Ha and other Arabic alphabet. So if you will be to focus on exit point, you will be pronounced very easily. The exit point of Ghain is first part of our throat. That is the first part. that one is the root of your tongue, the starting point of our throat. That one is the middle one, not middle one. That one, first one, that one is gha, gha, gha. In the starting, gha, ghain. Yes. Gha. You will be to just round your lips little bit. Gha, gha. And then in, convert your lips in smiley face. Ghain. Yes. So you should do focus on exit point. I will do repeat now. The exit point of ghain is first part of our throat, the starting point of our throat. Our throat has three parts. I already told you, the starting point, then middle point, then end point. End point is here, near to chest. Okay. So you will be to pronounce from first part of your throat. Gha, ghain. Yes, now I will discuss the shape of ghain. The shape of ghain is also matched the previous letter ain, but ghain has one dot, top of the letter. So when you see the one dot on this shape, you will be to pronounce ghain. Yes. Now I will repeat these two Arabic alphabet. Ain, ghain. Yes. So you will be to practice of these two Arabic alphabet. Inshallah, we will continue in next class from the next Arabic alphabet. So keep remember me in your prayers. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.